Deforestation is one of the most significant environmental issues. Although many of the governments and organizations has already taken actions, the deforestation rate is still high, and most of people's environmental protection is only on the cognitive level. They don't even make their business to go green. We hope that through our own devices, we can convey to the experiencer a more intuitive sense of the environmental protection, so that our experiencer can take themselves into the forest, which could help improve the environmental awareness. From the very beginning, we research on what would deforestation cause in a global view, and then we focus on the cause of deforestation to find the entry key of how to let people pay more attention to the forest protection. The global deforestation rate depends on how one defines deforestation. The most frequently updated data on global tree cover is based on analysis of satellite data by the University of Maryland and Global Forest Watch. But while global tree cover loss is increasing as its primary forest loss in the tropics, FAO says that worldwide deforestation has been on a downward trend since the 1990s. People cut down trees for electric, for farming, for mineral, for construction, and etc., etc. The cause of deforestation varies from region to region. For example, in tropical Latin America and South Asia, most deforestation is directly caused by conservation of natural forests or industrial activities, notably cattle region in Amazon and large-scale tree plantations in Southeast Asia. These industrial activities typically produce commodities for export and urban markets. In other regions, especially parts of tropical Africa, deforestation is caused primarily by subsistence of small-scale agriculture. Subsistence agriculture is primarily to produce food for household consumption or local market. And outside tropics, drivers of deforestation are also varied. In countries like the United States, Canada, Russian industrial timber operation convert natural temperature and boreal forests into industrial tree plantations. Urban expansion and agriculture can also be important cause of deforestation. And here are some types of the cause of deforestation and the cause of degradation. Deforestation in Amazon has been trending higher over the past decade due to growing demands of beef, soil, and land. Government development policies that encourage expansion into forests and the increasing vulnerability of rainforest ecosystems.
The first precedent study is the brick observation tower designed for elephant habitat. It can restore water to barren land and also help to plant more trees. The seeds of local epsilon tree can rotate and spread in the air. Seeds can be planted at the top of the tower and spread on the surrounding land with the help of the wind. We like the form and the concept of spreading seeds, which represents efforts to bring back the forest. The hollowed-out design of the whole structure encourages people to slow down, feel the surrounding environment. They may reflect on the coexistence of elephants and humans, the importance of reducing deforestation and protecting the environment.
The second precedent, which shows a movie called Princess Mononoke. This movie talks about the relationship between humans and nature, and also explores the ultimate proposition of whether humans and nature can truly coexist in harmony from the perspective of human existence. And we can see there are a lot of small white elves, which called Kodama. They are a symbol of the wealth of the forest, and their existence is a sign that the earth is full of vitality and a special symbol of communication between nature and humans. They are also forest guardians and can lead the lost out of the forest. So we think these elves can bring the inspiration of lighting elements to our installations.
Our installation draws on the harmonious interaction between humans and nature in the movie Avatar. The plants in the places where Avatar touches and works will emit brilliant light. Plants are also connected and interdependent. The theme of our installation is about the harmonious coexistence of man and nature, and it revolves around the spirit of seeds, the system of seeds, the loss of seeds, and the propagation of seeds. The audience participates in the interaction of the installation as human being, and the audience consciousness is both subjective and objective. As a part of the installation, the audience flow freely in the space according to their subjective consciousness, triggering the installation and changing the atmosphere of the space. The audience will also fall into objective reflection on the theme and the subject's behavior, and coordinate with their own and other behaviors in the space. The device provides a decentralized immersive experience through watching, touching, and listening.